Hi there. Here is Shiny, short from Sinashmadi. Sorry. Uh, I'm from Thailand. You can find me this video on YouTube because I put in YouTube first and then I put on my website, which is I work on to help people, to guide people to understand about life, subject of life. So that's why I been to website powerofhealingschool.net and learnselfhealing.net. I also teach Thai the language. So sorry if my English is not perfect, but I think if you concentrate, you would understand. Because a foreigner in Chiang Mai who I used to work with, which is I'm located in Chiang Mai, they understand most of it. So I used to work in Chiang Mai and even now, but online course is possible as well. But I find that okay, people can understand me. Especially what I'm gonna talk about is about another dimension, which is very important. It's necessary for people to understand because you need to understand yourself, your own emotion, your own thought, your own mind, your deep self, your true self. So that's why the first beginning you can heal yourself from people might have some kind of pain or emotion conflict somehow, or maybe the problem that you need to confront. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it go. That is normal of living life. If you understand that, if you can accept the truth that it is there for us to learn. So when we pass, it is the test of being human. When we pass the test, we can go to higher level, which is you might not understand in the same way I understand, but we can exchange. You can explain to me, like how you think about high or low, and someone higher than someone or not. I don't talk about someone higher than someone and people not equal. It's not that way, but I talk about when you feel great, when you feel relaxed, you are in balance, you had fresh and clear mind, and in the state of mind that you feel of the effective in kind of you work on something, you listen to someone, you can help people, you work on what you work on, you don't have stress, you don't have something to make you feel so down or frustration or upset somehow. That is in the position that higher of the mind in one person, in each person. And then when it's low, it's mean in one person who feel low energy, who feel negative, who feel a lot of darkness and don't have any light to show you the path or to show you the way, like that. So we can compare in state of mind. State of mind is very important. We need the energy. We need the foundation or the base root of energy to support us. We not need just like people. I find that people get lost on two things because there are two things. There are the dimension that you see physical body, you see, and another dimension, the energy or the physical energy or spiritual. So the spiritual part is important for me. I do really see it important I see it's important that the energy inside of each person, and I had spent time of my life to try to understand about that, and do a lot of work on myself in kind of maybe method, many kind of methods, many parts in religion or in not the religion. It doesn't matter, just the experience that, so then I can conclude and I can tell which one should be effective, which is I find the good system that I feel maybe I keep still work on myself in the level that I go into the what I mean higher in mean I mean to more purify. When I'm more purified from a lot of kind of negative energy or the kind of like dirt, then I can build or create the positive or the way my life should be for balance. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm sure that a lot of people search on things. You search on two things for your life to grow. First is about material. Second is about peaceful inside, about wisdom, which people might do yoga, do meditation, do something like this. And yeah, I did something like this. But finally, after the past like even 25 years, I had been do like a lot of people do, until I find something else which is not the same to what the teaching from the past the prophet teach. Is kind of different, but maybe a lot of people search inside of themselves, and then you find the same thing to me, and then I just guide you a little bit to in the part of cleansing, and this is a part of healing. After this part, it will be the part of to grow, true grow, and you're gonna have powerful. You connect to the sword, so you'll be one with the whole powerful thing. So that's why when the energy grow to you, you can share and you can be very high benefit to help not just your family, not just the people you love, but to help our planet, because our planet out of balance a lot since people get lost into things, which is I gonna talk about later. But right now I gonna just tell you that this video introduced about me. Maybe I try to make it short as possible. It is maybe something that you had learned for a long time or keep trying to find the answer for a long time. But maybe I can guide you just in short time you can get it. Um, I know that there are very lot of things and confuse people. You might find some people who do a lot of work like this, but they still had strong emotion in negative, still had bad habit that hurt you, or maybe you find inside of you that you still hurt yourself and hurt others, or some other things that you find is not right yet. Because people get lost into world, like the first word is material world. If you focus, you think that material can give you security, and the second thing that people lost in a spiritual world. This is very deep loss. Some people who find some kind of technique or method that had been worked for a long time, but that one doesn't help to release ego, doesn't help to release attachment and emotion, deep pain inside. So if I had been lost into things, I of course can explain how it happened like that, and why the thing on the game on earth could make you lost easily. The information, maybe you hear information from the famous guru teacher that people go for that, but still you don't find deep energy that help you. Is not come from inside, that strong inside that gonna support you. Maybe you find something blocked there. So that is a part of the real thing that I wish that I can guide you somehow. I have the activity of like the, if you come to Chiang Mai, or if you can do by email as well, can do by online, in the part of cleansing part first, and you're gonna use it, you can use it for like the technique after the cleansing part. That is 1 day workshop. I give 1 day workshop in Chiang Mai, and I can give like the support you to do the reading of negative energy, so you know how you can cleanse in many lifetime that we had been collect that kind of energy. And another thing is I just create one activity is about tour. I gonna take people, since people come to Chiang Mai and to Thailand, you want to learn, you want to know about Thailand, you want to visit Thailand, and you're gonna see just a place. You don't go deep inside in the same time. So I find that this way should be interesting. When I guide people, I take people to see the place, but the place we go is a place with energy. The place with positive energy. There are two kind of energy, positive and negative. And if you know some kind of technique, in the same time, if you like to enjoy traveling anyway, I gonna create activity that you travel with me, and I take you to the place of the holy and energy, and could you feel energy or not, and learn in the same time. I find it the most effective of learning, so you can completely grow, release tension more, release and thing that you have that block you to real, to true grow, is you must live your life and confront when you encounter things, your emotional, your things in your living life. Not like you go and hear a teacher for a short time, or you go for retreat for like 10 days or 3 months. 1 month, 3 months, doesn't matter. But if you live your life in every minute, and yeah, you like, if we together in some natural things, like you travel together or you work on something together, maybe we do exercise as well, because I teach yoga, but I guide a little bit of meditation, because meditation is another step. There is a step before meditation. This is the first step before this. I mean, meditation is the second step. That's why people find that it's difficult, because something make their mind busy, can't stop. If you pass the first step first, I emphasize to the first step. to clear first the block and the energy that interrupt you, disturb you. So that's why the second step in meditation, you gonna find that it's much easier, and you're gonna find when your mind still, you find peaceful no matter where you are, not just at the retreat center, not just at the peaceful place, but at everywhere in the world. So that's why this idea come up. If I gonna organize tours, which is we can like stay together in the hotel, we eat together, and we something could come up in your normal mind, and we can go direct to your real life. I mean, to that. So the important thing is when it's come up, you go and understand it, you encounter and understand deep inside yourself straight away, which is if we are together in live like natural living life. I think, and also the way we do is the way of we travel together in the tour, and we visit place, and in the same time you see new thing. You not just go inside, which is not real world, not just go and meditate, try. No, balance. That's why I don't just teach yoga. So there's four things that we emphasize. First is good food. Second is good mood. The mood is a part of meditation, or to find wisdom, to find your inner light. And good food, good mood, good air. We go in the place that not pollution. If you do yoga in air condition, but in the city it's a lot of pollution like that. When you breathe, you need to breathe a lot of air, take a lot of air in for your body, and it's helpful. Body helps to support the mind, and the mind can have strong mind manipulate body. So this part is important, the air and good exercise. So it's four things I help people to do, so you find balance. It's not just like people who interesting just part of material, so they find it's safe for their life first thing, but it's not like that. If it's too much material and forgot your own heart, your own feeling, forgot to understand yourself, forgot to relate right, function right with the people, because of you had love inside, you have wisdom inside. If you take care of work on yourself, if you have this one as well, so you're gonna balance. So the second balance is the world, the spiritual world also. So the spiritual world, I'm gonna go deeper in the issue in each person problem in the level of energy level, so it can have life transformation quicker, and you can see it means something is very powerful. So that's why I create this activity, which is it is major main thing I gonna talk about in my next video about we gonna have the ceremony, very holy ceremony, which is gonna help you to go deep inside, and also help you to create, to receive anything from high and above, to share. So that is gonna happen quick, very soon, on the 27th of March this year, 2014. So I just make this video quick. So maybe if you're interested into this ceremony, which is I more introduce you in the part of energy, you wanna understand somehow about the clean negative energy, and you will find, like I compare to the class when you clean. First beginning, you learn something about cleansing. Second, when it's clean, you can add positive energy, which is I gonna show you the place on the ceremony. That is very rare. It doesn't exceed in this pure energy often. So it's gonna organize show. I'm gonna talk about it in the next video. So right now I just introduce what I'm doing, who am I, and you can find me on my website. I gonna, if you watch me from YouTube, I gonna give the description below, and if you find me on my website straight away, and which I bring video from YouTube, then you can, if you're interested, you can contact and find the course, maybe course online. I do two things, Thai language and learning about life, so you can be balanced and true connect to yourself deeply. Then you find true security and true growth. So this is not what you can find many places for sure, since it's come from the experience and then connect to each particular person issue straight away, and then promote from that thing straight away, not just like when you go to monastery or to the talk. No, for everyone, 1,000 people, 10,000 people, you hear the same thing, not go directly from the point of each person. So I do the activity to try to bring up the point in normal life, living life from people, so we go straight on that. That's why life transformation is very effective, it's powerful, and you're gonna find something very magnificent. Okay, so right now I just leave you stuff like this much, and then I find you next video. See you later. Bye for now.